Okay. The Route 66 card. Muna ko ang mga bet. May nani ka mag-travel bitaw me. Tapos ay mga pakpak ganun.
To give you an example, I let it go. I just saw it and was like, oh, I've never been out. I want someone to have it.
Really?
Someone's going to go to the right place in the right box. Yep.
So, noon, wagid ko ayo. O, sige. Ihatag na po ni sir. Kasi probably remember, nga kuha niya ng gilit ko
Lots of
because
memories in that shirt.
nagamit ni Nia katong kuan pa siya. Pero okay, look. He was so skinny before, medium size. Tapos nakatunga nga na di sa, what's it called? Closet. But then it's done really good job,
It is my
babe.
favorite brand too. The brand.
It's a really, really good brand, you guys. It's a
Brioni.
Brioni. Oh my goodness. Brioni. Okay, ayan. Okay, next na, next. Oh, this is nice. 615. Kuha ni siya, necklace.
Where's Tintin?
Ako siyang gibutang dari because ang nahitabo is all of the jewelry na basa. So, ipang take out na ko siya sa iyahang original packaging. So, mo to siyang, ay nako, isa-isa na ko siyang tanggal o isa-isa na ko siya o dry. And now, it ended up like this. Kasi wala ko pang jewelry, tawag na, jewelry ziplock. But anyway, guys, it's letter K. This is from Forever 21. Ayan. Uy, guwapa siya. Sama ni Yaya. Ay, okay. Fashion jewelry na rin siya. Okay, so di rin ako siya ibutang. This is, naapa ni siya sa PIF Movement album. So, mo siyang padayon na to siya. Plus, with the mix with the miscellaneous para mag-total siya og 66 items to Madam So. Okay, next. A dress. A pink dress. Logo na, hindi ko sa pink.
Nice material.
Maybe I should get one. Dagan ko kung inani.
Yeah, I mean, get
A 0 and 2. Extra small.
That's your size.
We're lias tomorrow and then we might go to Florida. I don't know what's wrong with the earth. Kailangan That's why. Hala, B, it's perfect. Katong gipalit ni mga pink na earrings.
Then wear.
Maybe
one,
I should get this
wear
one.
a little bit.
For now.
Just for
And then can you give me another...
There's no summer clothes. It might be summer in Florida.
Just put it in the side. Sorry. Ayan ka lang.
Next time, next round.
Mao ni siya ang kuan. Mao ni siya ang behind the scene na... Because we are, man, God. Wala may ka ng unpredictable ang mga kabuang. So, anyway, kanina lang siya. Kung siya, pre-love ni siya, nga wala na gamit. I think this is a gift from, love. I remember this is a gift from Tracy.
What was it?
For the
On
girls.
Virgin Islands. Very
Roll
nice.
na siya nagamit sa mga girls. Because, lagi. Mo na to siya. Mo na siya ang kuan. Love, kita ka. Did you give me another one?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
Babe, I didn't ask you only one.
Ah, one at a time?
Because I,
Ah.
no, how many?